welcome back to the channel. Today you will get to see me with a full face of makeup on, and this is kind of like a go-to look I usually do. I'm really especially proud of my eyebrows today. I took some time and I really love them today. So I'm here to talk about a new product. I'm sure you guys are all really familiar with the brand L'Oreal Paris. So this is what we're going to be talking about today. It's a pure hyaluronic acid that visibly replumps skin. And it's a serum. It's fragrance free and it's 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid. So honestly, I love to wear this. I mix it sometimes with my moisturizer, before my moisturizer, daily, in the morning typically. So after I wash my face, put on my toner, I like to pump some of this serum into my hand, mix it in, and just press it into the skin. I like to plump it into the skin, and it actually helps create clear skin, and also prevents any aging signs. So if you can see my skin, I have makeup on right now, but I feel like it's all about prep work, about the time and the certain type of products you're putting into your skin that helps create that dewy, plump, luminous effect. So I feel like my skin does give off. So this is the serum, and we're gonna go ahead and open it, and it just tells you in the back what the intensive hydrating serum includes. It looks like this. You get about, I'd say, 1 fluid ounce. This is the typical size. I do love the packaging. It's glass, so I love that as well. And it includes 1.5 hyaluronic acid and 0.5% high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. So it does have the hydration attracting molecule naturally found in skin, and it helps enhance skin's own moisturizer and help the hydration stay longer. So direction says apply 2 to 3 drops to clean dry skin every morning before moisturizer, and you avoid the eye area. So this is a product. Those were the instructions, and it says that in 2 weeks you should be seeing results. So definitely check it out, try it on. I really like the texture of this product. It's not like heavy or like oily at all. It goes on smoothly. It feels light, not greasy. This is also fragrance free, which is really good. I would try to get products that doesn't have fragrance, because you don't know what they're putting in products that do have fragrances, because they can hide a bunch of ingredients behind the word fragrance. So try to get fragrance free. And this is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So if you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to continue getting updates for new products. Thanks so much for watching.